Okay, hold up, wait. Okay, but hold up. Okay. 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 Right there. What's up? I'm back with another slime video. Make sure you like and subscribe my videos. And my brother's gonna be doing a Fortnite video, so he got that off of somewhere. I'm gonna be playing with this one slime that I liked forever. So let's see how this is gonna come out. This is cloud slime. Don't say nothing. Don't say nothing. You're welcome. This is cloud slime, and it's really good. I'm gonna be selling this for a little bit. I think about $1 or so. No, I think about $1. And let me just get up closer so you can see it. You see it now? Here's the cloud mist I had to add. It's just an awesome slime. So I had to tell you that it was like a cloud. It's a cloud slime. So I added a lot of water, and it seems not to make this sticky at all. So usually it'll be really, really sticky, but it's not anymore. So okay, so my brother, he's going to be like doing. No, you know what? Let's not make this boring. We're going to get into some action. We are going to show you all of my stuffed animals. Let's get it. Let's get it. Okay. So, hold up. So, I'm going to be showing you all my stuffed animals. I got one squishy, but it's ripped. We're going to be showing you all my stuffed animals, but they're going to be bunched up in one spot. So I'm going to have to get every single corner. And then there's like one big one. Stop. No. There's like one big one that I really like. Okay? Okay, so do this, do this, do this, get this. So, you're going to get this. You know what? 3-second challenge. We're going to see if you can hit. We're going to see if you can hit that button. And comment down below. I hit the button in 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and done. Okay, so let me show you all my stuffed animals, my fidget spinners. Okay? So let's start off with the fidget spinners. Yes, good. I only have 3 of those. Three of them. If you want to see. You actually have 4. I have 3. 4. One is in my room. See, I have 3 of them. Well, actually 4. So let me just do this real quick. See that one? It makes it. They're horrible, but this one right here is glow in the dark. It's so. This is glow in the dark. This one right here, it doesn't have the things, and this one right here is just good. Now here's my stuffed animals. They're all piled up together. Stuffed animals. If you want these fidget spinners, you comment down below, type in fidget spinners. We'll look in the comment below and see. We'll look in the comment. Head up. We'll look in the comments down below. Just make sure you subscribe. All 3. If you want to see me with some more videos, make sure you subscribe and like. Hit that like button. Make sure you smash that notification. And I'm making a video today like my sister. Give me mine. Give me that one. Give me mine. I'm going to be selling the glow in the dark fidget spinner, the black fidget spinner, I'm going to be giving these to you, and they're going to be, well, not money, but these are just going to be like for sale on the thing. So you can be having a fidget spinner, be like, yeah, I got this from somebody off of YouTube. So, see ya, and I'm going to add some music to this video, so it'll be awesome. It's going to take me a long time to edit.
So guys, I'm selling the fidget spinner on my YouTube video, so it's going to be after hers. So,
okay, so, as I told you, my closet was messy. But now look at it.
no.
It's not messy anymore. Wait, you know what? Let's not show that. Okay, make sure you hit that notification bell. Make sure you subscribe so you won't miss another one of my videos. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure hit that notification bell so you will not miss one of my videos. See ya.